How do you choose the right mutual fund from so many schemes? With thousands of mutual fund schemes available in India alone, selecting the right one can feel overwhelming. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to filter and select mutual funds smartly and confidently. First, understand your financial goal. First thing first, always start with your goal. Ask yourself, why am I investing? Is it for short-term goals like vacation or down payment, or long-term goals like retirement or a child's education? Short-term 0.3 years. Stick to liquid funds or ultra short-term debt funds. Medium term is 3 to 5 years. You might consider hybrid funds or conservative debt-oriented funds. Long term is more than 5 years. Opt for equity mutual funds or aggressive hybrid funds. Remember, the longer the horizon, the more risk you can take and the more potential returns you can earn. Second, choose the right mutual fund category. The three main categories are equity funds. Invest mainly in stocks, ideal for long-term wealth creation. Debt funds, invest in bonds and government securities, safer for income stability. Hybrid funds, mix of equity and debt, good for balanced risk-reward. Within equity, you'll find large cap funds, stable blue chip stocks. Mid cap funds, higher returns, more volatility. Small cap funds, high growth potential, high risk. ELSS, equity linked savings scheme, with tax benefit under section 80C. Third, use key selection parameters. It's the technical part. Filtering the best fund based on key parameters. Past performance. Look at 5-year and 10-year returns, not just 1 year. Compare the fund's performance with its benchmark index and category average. Expense ratio. This is the annual fee charged by the fund. Lower expense ratio is equal to higher net returns. For direct plans, is generally lower than the regular plans. Risk ratio. Sharpe ratio, standard deviation, beta. Sharpe ratio tells you if you are getting good returns for the risk taken. Standard deviation shows the fund's volatility. Beta compares a fund's volatility to the market. Fund manager track record. A good fund manager can make a big difference. Check how long they have managed the fund and their track record in other funds. Assets under management, AUM. Avoid extremely low AUM, indicates lack of investors' confidence. But for small cap funds, too large AUM may become hard to manage. Portfolio composition. Look at where the fund is investing. Which sectors, stocks, credit ratings for debt funds. Avoid overexposure to a single sector or risky instruments. 4. Direct versus regular plans. A quick but important point. Direct plan. You invest directly through the AMC, lower expense ratio and higher return. Regular plan. Investment through a distributor. Includes commission, hence slightly lower return. If you are confident and informed, choose direct plans via platforms like Grow, Zerodha Coin or directly through the AMC. Now comes the fifth part, consistency and SIP. Once you have shortlisted the right fund, consistency is key. Start a SIP, invest small amounts regularly instead of lump sum. Benefits: rupee cost averaging, discipline, power of compounding, and yes, review your fund performance once a year, not every month. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful approach to selecting the right mutual funds from hundreds of schemes. Start with your goal, pick the right category, filter with key parameters, and invest consistently. If this helped you, do like, share, and subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment sections below. We're happy to help you build wealth step by step. Follow and subscribe Stock Market Mentor for more investing informations.